Click Members. Click Add. Enter member name. Choose your favorite color to tag members. Click Save. Members can be added multiple times. Click the member's avatar. Click Change. Change member name. Change favorite color. Click Save. Click the member's avatar. Click Delete. Change completed. Click Calendar. Select the date to schedule. Name this schedule. Select Reminder Time. Select to remind members. Select Reminder Frequency Duration. Click Save. Select the date to schedule. Click Birthday. Edit birthday person's name. Select to remind members. Select Reminder Frequency Duration. Turn on ringtone reminder. Click Save. Select the date to schedule. Click Anniversary. Edit anniversary object name. Select Date. Select to remind members. Select Reminder Frequency Duration. Turn on ringtone reminder. Click Save. Select the date to schedule. Click Countdown. Edit countdown object name. Select Date. Select to remind members. Select Reminder Frequency Duration. Turn on ringtone reminder. Click Save. Click the triangle icon in the top right corner. Click the Select All switch. Click the individual switch of member. Click the member avatar icon in the top right corner. Turn on the Show See Interaction switch. You only need to turn on the interaction switch for the members whose display is needed. Click the icon above with and a cloud. Click the month icon. Click the schedule icon. Click the day icon. Click the week icon. Click the month icon. Click Housework. Click the plus icon in the bottom right corner. Add household chore name. Select to remind members. Click Save. Click on existing chores. Click Edit. Change the name of the household chore. Click Date. Select the corresponding time. Possible change of time and repeated dates. Select to remind members. Click Save. The results of completing household chores. Overdue completion of household chores. You can switch by clicking the icons before and after today. Click the triangle icon in the top right corner. Click the individual switch icon of a member to hide. Click the pen icon. Change member name. Change favorite color. Click Edit. Click Meal Plan. Edit the time you want to enjoy your meal. Click Add Recipe. You can customize the food name. Just enter the name of the food. Switch dining category. Click Save. The custom food name you created will be automatically saved for next time. Edit the time you want to enjoy your meal. Click the food name. Click Delete. Click Delete this recipe only. Click on the existing food name. Click Edit. Switch dining category. Click the Repeat toggle button. Select Repetition cycle. Describe the name of the food. Click Edit Recipe. Meals can be selectively deleted. You can choose to save the modified meal. Click the triangle icon in the top right corner. Can initiate meal categories. Change dining category name. Change favorite color. Click Save. Click To Do. Click the blue circle plus. Enter main task name. Choose your favorite color to mark. Click Category. Click Save. Click the main task name. Click Change. Edit change name. Choose your favorite color to mark. Click Save. Click Add Subtask. Edit subtask name. Edit subtask date. Edit subtask time. Select subtask time. Click Confirm. Click Save. Click Subtask. Change subtask name. Change subtask date or time. Click Save. Click to edit this device name. Click to edit this device's location. Click to edit the weather location for this device. Click to edit this device's weather icon. Click to edit this device's language or time zone or date or time. Restore factory settings. Show other settings for this device. Click this device name. Click Reward. Click to add reward. Enter reward name. Add emoji. Choose an emoji. Enter the number of stars to redeem this reward. Select member. Click Save. Number of reward stars. Select reward members. Select the number of reward stars. Click Confirm. Redeem reward. Choose your country's language. Click Next. Connect to the network. Enter this network password. Click to view password. Click Confirm. Click Next. Click Next. Select the time zone he is currently in and whether to use the 24-hour format. Choose the location to place this device. Name this device. Click Next. Select email. Click Create. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Click Add Device. Click Add Share Code. Click Input Share Code. Click Connect.